Hello mathletes, welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of the exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants as defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x, which all the following statement is true. X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x values are increasing. The y values are 0 0.5, 1, 2, 4, and 8. These are also increasing. So since they are both increasing, this must be a growth function. The answer is B or C. So let's find the values. We're going to use this data now. f0 is equals to a times b to the power of 0 is 0.5. So a times 1 is 0.5. So this means that a is 0.5. Let's use the second data, f1. So 0.5 times b to the power of 1 is equals to 1. So divide both sides by 0.5. You will see that it's going to be 2. So b is greater than 1. So which choice is that? Choice B will be the answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.